Everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can make money in your Rumble. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we'll simply just dive into our video now. So actually Rumble is a platform where you can simply upload a video like of in YouTube and earn money, right? So let me go to rumble.com first. Tap on your profile icon over here. Go to this option called stats and earnings. So apparently here you can see your earning status. So for me, I have not uploaded any of the videos, so I do not have earnings. So how you earn in Rumble is you will upload a video and once the ads plays, that adds some of the commissions that you will get from those ads will be here in your ultimate earning here in Rumble. So you can come here and check it out. And the other way, so for example, I have this particular person's video, right? So if I tap on this person's video, if I scroll down here, you can see he has added trading platforms, training courses, he had added about stock career, he have added so many links and the details, right? So if you have an affiliate account from your Amazon, from anywhere, so what you can do is you can simply make videos. So for example, if you're making a video about your fashion, so what you can do is from wherever you buy your stuff, your clothes, you can simply upload a video, plus in the reference box because you can add your link for that product, for whatever you were wearing for your outfit, and whoever taps on that link, that way they will get redirected to that shopping page and they will buy that stuff. And obviously if it's an affiliate where you're connected with that company or with that shopping page, then you will get some commissions, right? So this Rumble website is for good for your affiliate marketing as well. Plus if you just upload your video and multiple times you will upload good content, see what is like, you can tap on here and see what is trending, tap on that, see what is trending, make videos according to that need, make videos, upload them, and then you will simply be able to earn from your Rumble as well. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. If you have more questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And yeah, thank you so much. I will see you guys next time.